amid the ongoing NEET exam row, NSUI, SFI and other student wing activists who tried to siege the residence of Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy in Hyderabad. Protesters who continued to raise slogans demanding justice in the NEET issue. They also demanded a cancellation of the NTA over paper leak. Police immediately reached the spot and detained protesters and shifted them to a local police station. This is, we understand that a nationwide investigation is on by the CBI as they are joining the dots over who all are responsible for the paper leak and corruption with regards to the conduct of the NEET exam. But you see how many of these student wing activists who are now using this as an opportune time where they go on to push their political agenda. This time around, it was seen that some of these student wing activists laid siege at the residence of Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy in Hyderabad. They raised slogans, they demanded justice and also asked for the cancellation of NTA, after which the police immediately reached the spot and detained these protesters. Cutting across to Aneri, who joins us live on the broadcast. Aneri, do take us through the sequence of events, as it is just unfortunate to why students are being mobilized to fulfill the political agenda of those who are also, using the NEET issue, wherein the idea is to solve the larger issue for students, but unfortunate to how it is being politicized.
Well, that's right, Suesha. What we have been seeing is that amid the NEET roar which has been going on across the country and also in the parliament, well, now we see that some of the student wings, including the NSUI, SFI and other student wing leaders, have tried to reach the residence of the Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy here in Hyderabad. They tried to seize his residence, but however, the police officials reached at the spot immediately and also detained all the students student wing leaders and activists who reached the residence of G. Kishan Reddy. Well, remember how there has been a massive uproar in the parliament across the country over the NEET exam, and so amid all of this, we see that the NEET, the NSUI and other student wing leaders and activists tried to reach the residence of G. Kishan Reddy here in Hyderabad, and also they were seen raising slogans of we demand justice and over the paper leak issue, the NTA paper leak issue and the irregularities which have been found in the NEET exam. So amid all of this, we see there are massive protests and few of them tried to reach at the residence of G. Kishan Reddy. However, the police officials reached there at the spot immediately and detained all the activists and shifted them to the local police station. But however, this demand for justice continues to grow and opposition parties continue to blame the central government over the irregularities in the NEET exam.
And let's not forget, Aneri, how Republic was the first to put out that video where NSUI members are also barged into the NTA office demanding its closure. While we understand that the CBI is now holding a thorough probe into what and where the loopholes are and who all are a part of this huge nexus, why is it that we see protests of this nature?
Well, that's right, Suesha. What we have been seeing is that, well, not only for the first time, we have been seeing protests breaking out yesterday. Also, NSUI leaders and activists had reached the NTA office. They had barged into the office and also locked up the office. But also at the same time, the students, the NEET exam aspirants, the student wing leaders and activists, and also the opposition parties continue to take up this issue in the parliament, and also we have been seeing that how the paper leak issue has now become one of the main issues in the parliament as well, amid the protests which have been going on across the country, let it be here in the south or anywhere in Gujarat, Pune, Delhi, where we have been seeing massive demand of justice